Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you another wire bracelet. For this project you'll need some pliers, some beads and wire. I've got copper wire today, but you can use any color. I'm going to start with these little jump rings, the little round ones first. So I'm going to make quite a few. Show you how to make a few. I've got these rounded pliers and I'm just going round and round and round. There you go. Can carry on just now doing that. Then you get some side cutters and just cut along the side here and it'll come like a little loop like that. There you go. I'm going to make quite a few because we're going to be using quite a few of those. Okay, I've made a bunch of these little jump rings and now I want to make the little clasp first because that's also fun. We need some pliers and should be about that long, and then you want to bend it back on itself. It's a bit hard to hold it, but you just keep trying to bend it, and it needs to be very, very close together. Okay, it's going over each other a little bit. There we go. It's going to look like that. And then you want to hold it there and bend it outward so it's like an L shape. And then you're going to get your round nose pliers and hold them about there and go make a loop. It's going to look like that. Now you want to get some normal pliers just to hold the loop steady, and then you're going to bring this tail wire round. I like to go 1 or 2 times. There we go, like that. It's going to look like that. And then you can just cut off this excess bit. Okay, now I just want to get some pliers and just make this a little bit tighter, tuck this piece in. Okay, now this piece, about halfway down this, I want to bend this down. So it makes a clasp. You can hold this little end bit and bend that a little bit more so it makes a hook. There you go. So that's our clasp and our jump rings. And now I want to move on to the bead part. So let's put a bead on first and make a loop. Bend it back so it's like straight. Close it a little bit. It'll look like that. Bring your bead up and put your round nose pliers there. Bend it a little bit so that it's to the side and go around. It'll look like that. Now you can chop off this piece. It's a bit to the side there, so get some normal pliers and just straighten it and adjust it until it looks like a nice little loop. So I'm going to continue with all of these beads, just making the wire loops in between. Okay, I've put wire in all of these beads, and now I want to start assembling the bracelet. So I've got one jump ring. I'm gonna open it with two pieces of wire, two pliers, and I'm opening it this way, not pulling it out because that bends the loop. So let's put the clasp on and the first bead, and then I'm closing the jump ring this way, so bending it that way instead of pulling it outward. Now I'm going to continue putting these jump rings, so holding it with one, opening like that, and I'm going to put the fat one and the skinny one and close the jump ring. I'm going to continue doing that through all these beads. Continue, I've done these little things, I've connected them all together, and now at the end I want to do a little chain so that the chain connects to the clasp. So we're going to these little jump rings, and I'm going to open one and put two jump rings on. That'll make a chain of 3. Close the jump ring, and then I'm going to do that again. Open one, put the jump ring and connect it to this. So that's a chain of 5. I think 5's good for now. Can add more if you want. And I'm just going to connect it to the end of the bracelet and close the jump ring. And there we go. We've got a bracelet. Can connect from there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to make more pretty things with me.